Florida was founded in many ways on the search for the fountain of youth, right? Hundreds of years ago. Well, now researchers at UCF may be a step closer to actually finding it.
As Channel 9 anchor Jamie Holmes shows us, their anti-aging research put the school on the stage with the biggest names and grants in the nation.
Zombie cells. That's the unofficial name for what are called senescent cells in the body. Cells that have no real function but make us feel old.
At some point, some of the cells, they stop functioning. But at the same time, they start to make damage to other cells.
Scientists believe these zombie cells contribute to the growth of age-related problems like osteoporosis, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. So a team at UCF has been very busy studying mice and how certain kinds of mice live some 40% longer than others. And when they studied the mice, they found fewer zombie cells.
They not only are living longer, but they are much healthier. They are protected from several age-related diseases like cancer, diabetes, and overall they have healthier lifespan, I would say.
The research is in partnership with the Mayo Clinic and a who's who of national top-tier facilities, the premier names in medical research. And because of UCF's work, researchers at the Mayo Clinic were able to develop a drug that can help clear those zombie cells from the body. Early clinical trials show the drug worked and patients felt, well, younger. But for UCF, often working quietly in the background, it's a chance to also partner with the biggest names in biomedicine. Good news for a medical school less than a decade old, trying to make a name for itself.
In Florida, we know that we have lots of elderly people living here. So they should be really interested that can either reverse some age-related diseases or for the future we can prevent this age-related disease.
In Orlando, Jamie Holmes, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
UCF is now testing the anti-aging drug on both their so-called mutant mice and older mice to see how effective it is. This kind of research is very beneficial because it is a high-profile subject and allows researchers to apply for even more grant money in the future.
Let's hope they figure that out. SpaceX is